Today I am going to discuss how to write an SEO friendly article in WordPress. To write an SEO friendly article in WordPress, I am using the plugin Yoast Seo. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to the backend of the WordPress site by using the ID password. Then you have to install the plugin from the plugin section and by clicking the add new option. And here is the search option. You have to write Yoast Seo here. You will get all the links of the plugin related to the Yoast Seo, but we will download this Yoast Seo. Actually, this is a very well known SEO plugin. 1+ million active installation is here, and for all are 5 stars. Just click on the install now button. After completing the installation, we will get a button to active this Yoast Seo. At this Yoast Seo, we will write SEO friendly article. The menu of the Yoast Seo plugin will be found from the left sidebar, and this is the menu of the Yoast Seo. There are some general settings of the Yoast Seo. You see dashboard, features, and webmaster tools. Today I am not going to describe these features of Yoast Seo, as this tutorial is only about how to make one article green in WordPress by using the Yoast Seo. For that reason, I am going to the post section and add a new post. To make this article quicker, I have already collected one article from one of the site, and this is the collected article. I am going to make this article green by using the Yoast Seo. This is the title of the article. I am just copying this title and pasting it on the title section, and again I am going to copy the remaining body section from here and paste it into the body section of this WordPress article writing text box here. Now, first of all, before making this article green, I have to select a keyword. I am going to select the keyword affiliate program in this article and make this article green by using this keyword. Let's see. At this time, this article is SEO is unavailable, and you see the gray color of this article. I am going to paste the keyword here. Let's see what happened. This is not green. I am going to make it green. To make one article green, there are several factors actually. To see the factors, click on this arrow button, and you can see there are too many factors that reflects on making one article green. Let's see what are the points. First point is outbound link. Outbound links means the link by which user will click the link, and it links forward the user to any other sites. And second one is internal link. Internal link means when user click the links, the user will be sent to any other pages or post of the current website. And keyphrase in the introduction means the keyword that I have selected earlier will appear on the first paragraph of the article. And this is meta description length. Meta description means a little description of the article that is displayed on the Google search boxes. Okay, that can be set here. by clicking here and here. I will describe all the things today in this tutorial. And third last one is image alter text, that is alternate name of the images. And some other issues are key press in title, that is in the title there have to be the keyword, and the key press density, that is how many times repeated the keyword in the full article, and previously used key press, you have not used this key press before, that is in my site I have not used this keyword before. And text length of the article, SEO, title, width, and slacks. Let's make this article green. I'm starting. First of all, I have to put my keyword at the very beginning of the title, that is affiliate program. How to choose your affiliate program wisely? Okay, that is good. Now put the keyword at the beginning paragraph. Affiliate marketing program, or we can write affiliate program or affiliate program have a skyrocketing, no matter. Then make it heading 2, make it heading 2, heading 2, heading 2, heading 2, and heading 2. Now see, key press in the introduction is well done, key press length, good job. Now SEO title width, this title is wider than the viewable limit, that is you have to narrow down this SEO title. Just click on here and backspace, and this is green. Okay, now see the meta description length. I am not using any meta description yet. I am going to copy first line of this paragraph here. You see, this is not green yet, it is saying that under 120 character, so I have to input some more text here. Just copy the second line and paste it here. This is green. Okay, fine, that is SEO is good. This is green, this is green, and I am going to publish this article, as this article is now very SEO friendly. So that's all actually to make one article green. Mentionable here that it is not necessary to make all these points green. I just have to make green as much as possible to make this icon green and this icon green. That's all actually. Now let's see how this article is actually seen on the browser. This is the article, and it's look very user friendly, and this is also SEO friendly too. So that's all about how to make one article green in WordPress by using Yoast Seo. That's all. I hope this tutorial will help you, and you can write your own article and make that green very easily. Thank you very much.